I've parked near Plains in Lanarkshire, which is just east of Airdrie, to explore a hill called Black Hill, which according to Wikipedia is the highest point on a plateau in the narrow isthmus of central Scotland, which makes it sound rather exotic, a bit like Panama. So I'm going to walk up the road there behind my van just to see what I can find on Black Hill. The road I'm on is a minor road which goes up Black Hill from the main Airdrie Bathgate road, which it leaves between Plains and Caldercrooks. Just going to pan round and show a close-up view of the village of Plains. There was open cast mining to the north of the village. The only industry in Plains now is a timber yard. The Annieshill Forest with circular routes waymarked and a warning against fly tipping, which I think is completely disgusting. Just to clarify, I think it's fly tipping that's disgusting, not the sign. There is a car park here. Trudging through the snow, and you can see on the hillside there a couple of television masts. More about that later. No snow in the impenetrable forest. It's always encouraging when you're trudging through snow to see other footprints. I've run out of people, I just see footprints here of animals. Ah, human tracks. I'm back on the beaten track, human footprints. Hills were often called Black Hill because they were boggy, and this one seems to be no exception. The snow is masking the fact that it's very wet underfoot, and although this is a very well populated area, I think it's been forested because you probably can't build houses here. Why would you want to live on a bog? Now I've met upon some quad tracks which came up the hill that way, and I came through the gap there, so I don't know where the quad tracks go, but I'm going to follow them because they're easier. That seems to be a snowbound style. Some quad tracks go that way and some go down this way. They both go slightly downhill, so I'm going to have to explore and hope for the best, because my instinct is always to go uphill. Quickly changed my mind. Let's try the other way. I could do with one of those "You Are Here" maps. See what I mean about bog? Black bog. There are footprints through here, so I'm going to persist. I've just seen a fox through there, but I couldn't get close enough to film it. This is Lilly Loch, which is not where I expected to be, but having checked the map, it's not the end of the world because I can find a way round it, which might be an interesting walk. I wish I'd brought a sandwich, but there we go. Panoramic view of Lilly Loch with the Moffat Hills, which do actually have a cairn by that electricity pole there, which is about 240 metres. No wading. Okay, if you're a duck. Let's have another look at the view at Lilly Loch. Got it. The television masts on Black Hill. Plenty of wind turbines. Those, I guess, are the Pentlands, and there's the BBC mast. And just coming into the view are the ITV or Scottish Television masts. first one built in the 1950s, the second one about 14 years ago to replace it.